Hi there guys and gals, good day. The procession has already started from here up to there in Embarcadero, and then we will proceed on to turn via a large boat, or not a boat, we may call here a bangka, and then this is done every year in observance of festivity of San Roque, Legazpi City. So guys and gals, come on here, join us here to have a procession. It's fun. As you can see, there are lots of people who will join. Bye for now.